This is a way how to use the index in a book. So if you have a book, you the go behind the book, the last few pages. You'll find that there is an index page here. So the way to find it, to use it easily, is whatever subject you're searching for, or maybe word. You can just come back here to the index page and go alphabetically. Let's say if we are looking for contracts. So contract starts with C. So here we are in A. So I go look for, this is B. So we go ahead and look for CC. We get to a C. So contract CON. So this is CA. We go to CO. CO. So that's CO. Here's CO. Okay. The next letter will be N. So it is CON. Okay. And we have T, contract. This is CONS. CONS, CON. CONT. So that's contract. So anything under contract law would be under this one here. So this is CON, contract law, and these are the subject under this term, contract law. And this would be the easiest way to use the index behind the book. Good luck.